Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Kit, formerly known as Convertkit. So let me take you to the website, which is kit.com. I'll mention the link in the video description as well. For the ones who don't know about them, Kit is an email marketing platform designed specifically for creators like bloggers, YouTubers, and digital entrepreneurs. It offers tools for email automations, audience segmentation, landing pages, and selling digital products. With its creative focused approach, Kit helps users grow their audience and monetize their content effectively. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and see if you can leverage them. If that's the case, you can click on pricing. You can see what do they offer. They got $25 per month plan, $50 per month plan, and a custom plan. You get unlimited visual automations, email sequences, plus 2 users in $25 plan. In $50 plan, you get unlimited users as well. What benefits do you get? You see, there's a list of all these benefits you will get. Plus, as you go higher with the plan, you will get additional benefits. And if you scroll down, you can also go with the free plan. So you can see here in free plan, you will have up to 10,000 subscribers. You can create landing pages, create email opt-in forms, and all these amazing stuff that you can do even with the free sign up. So you'll find a link in the video description. Maybe click on the link and get yourself an account with Kit. But that's not exactly why we're here. Unless you want to start with Kit, that's totally up to you. We are here to earn money from Kit. How do we do that? As usual, we try to join their affiliate program. And for that, you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the page to the footer section. Over here, you can click on affiliate program, which will take you to this page. Here, you can see partner with Kit and earn. So join the Kit affiliate program for 50% commission for 12 months, plus 10 to 20% recurring revenue beyond 12 months when you earn bronze, silver, or gold status. That's great. It's not just one-time commission. It's a recurring commission. For example, you brought in a user, took it, and so long as they're paying it, you will get commission. For the first year, you will get 50% of that paid amount as commission, and for the consecutive months, you will get between 10 to 20% depending on your status, whether you are a bronze, silver, or gold status. And to know more about bronze, silver, and gold status, you can scroll down and you will see here base tier. So requirement is nothing. You simply have to be approved for the affiliate program of Kit, and then you can start promoting them to your user, to your audience, and you could get 50% for the first 12 months of every referred customer. And then if you want to be a bronze affiliate, then you must be referring 10 plus paying customer every year. And if you want to be silver affiliate, then you must be referring 50 plus customer every year. And if you want to be gold, 100 plus is the customer count. And if you scroll down, you can see even more. Here's an example of how much you could earn. So for example, make signs up with affiliate link and pays Kit $1,200 for the first year. You would earn $600 for max first year. That is 50% of the payment to the Kit. And once you reach bronze, silver, or gold status, you would start earning recurring commission that will be between $120 to $240 every year from the same customer that you have brought to Kit, so long as they are paying and so long as you are keeping your status. And if you scroll down, you can see even more. For example, there's FAQs you can read and you can have an understanding if you have any questions that is uncovered in this video. So is it free to join Kit affiliate program? Of course it is. Do you need to be a Kit customer to be an affiliate? Well, they are okay with any affiliate. You don't necessarily have to be a Kit customer. What type of partners do they accept into their affiliate program? They're fine with any, honestly. Like content creators could include bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters, etc., educators, coaches, and consultants, social media influencers, even website owners or the blog owners, they can also apply. And then if you scroll here, how long does it take to be approved as an affiliate? It may take between 2 to 3 business days. You can always reach out to them at this email address and try to get the approval. Then do I need to have a certain audience size to become an affiliate? You can click here. No, we welcome affiliate of all sizes. So they're fine. You simply have to apply, and it's highly likely for you to get approval as long as you have a place where you can promote them. I mean, the online presence. Now, affiliate from which country can join the affiliate program? As such, I didn't find any restrictions at all. Regardless of your location as an affiliate, you should be able to apply to the affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote Kit? No restrictions for that as well. So you could basically promote them to the consumers of any country where Kit provide their services. Now, how do you join or sign up for the affiliate program? There are 2 ways, and that is dependent on having an account with Partner Stack. If you have an account with Partner Stack, then you have to follow a bit different instructions. So let me take you to the website called Partner Stack. Now, what is Partner Stack and what does it have to do with Kit? Partner Stack is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there, specializing in SaaS affiliate programs, so software as a service affiliate program. For the affiliates to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, they have to join the respective affiliate network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Kit, we must have an account with Partner Stack. So in case if you do not have an account with them yet, you're lucky. For that, you can simply come to the affiliate program page of Kit. Over here, you can click on apply to join. It will take you to this form. You can fill up this form and then you can click on the submit button in here. And for me, I don't see the submit button. That's because I already have an account with Partner Stack. So it's highly likely that if you're already an affiliate out there, maybe part of different SaaS brands, then you must already have an account with Partner Stack. In case if you already have an account with them, you may get this option like with this lock icon, and that is because of this requirement. To join more programs, all you need to do is earn a single commission in any of the programs you're already part of. So two things here. One is if you do not have an account with Partner Stack yet, you can click on this apply to join button, and then you can fill the form and you can click on submit application. It will take you further to as a sign up to Partner Stack, and once you get the approval from Kit, you would be able to log into Partner Stack and you can explore. But in case if you already have an account with Partner Stack, it will take you to a similar page, but there will be restrictions and you must have applied to some other brands in the past, and you should bring at least single commission for yourself, and that is a prerequisite. And assuming if you have an account with Partner Stack and you have brought a sell and there's a commission, then you won't see this option. Regardless, you have to fill this form. So how do you fill this form? In case if you already have an account with Partner Stack, first I will advise you to come to the website, click on login, and go through with the login authentication to successfully log into your Partner Stack affiliate account, and then click on apply to join. But in case if you do not have an account with Partner Stack, simply click on apply to join. Once here, you can fill the details. You can enter your first name, last name, email address, and then the business name. Now, business name doesn't require to have a business. Let's say if you are a influencer, you might have a Facebook page or any other social media page. You can mention the name of the page in here. If you're a website owner, blog owner, you could mention their name as well here, either the website name or the blog name. I'm going to go with all about affiliate marketing. What is your website URL? It is highly likely that being an influencer, you might not have a website. You might rather have a social media handle or a page. So you can mention that URL in here. What is your main social media profile link? So you can also mention your main profile link. For me, I don't have a website URL, but I got my YouTube channel. So I'm going to mention my YouTube channel URL in both the places here. You can do or enter the details accordingly. How would you best describe yourself? So you can click here and you can go with any of these options. I'm gonna go with YouTuber. You can select one of these options that suits you the best from here. What is the total size of your audience? That is subs, visitors, followers. I'm going to go with this one between 5,000 to 10,000. You can choose yours accordingly. Why is Kit a good fit for your audience? Now, you want to write good thing about you because this is a way Kit affiliate program team would know that you're a good fit for them. And based on that, they could give you the approval. I have already written for myself. I'm going to paste it in here. How do you plan to promote Kit? You can choose the option that you'll be using. I will be using social media and other, so that will be my YouTube. So depending on where you intend to promote them, you must select all these options accordingly. Are you a Kit user? I'm not, so you can select your answer here. What country are you located in? So I'm gonna go with my country of residence. You can also go with your country of residence, followed by a selection of region. So I'm gonna go with my selection of region as well. You can select your region too, and then you can click on submit button in here. Once you click on the submit button, as I mentioned earlier, if you do not have an account with Partner Stack, it will take you further to complete the sign up process, and thereafter you should be able to get an account with Partner Stack. And once you get the approval from Kit, you should be able to log into Partner Stack. For the ones who already have an account with Partner Stack, so your application to the Kit affiliate program team would get submitted. You simply have to give them between 2 to 3 business days to review and to approve you. Once you get the approval, regardless of you being new to Partner Stack or already have an account, you can come to the website partnerstack.com, click on login, and simply log into your Partnerstack affiliate account. Once you do, it will take you to a dashboard, a partner dashboard, or rather affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, and I'm going to cover how do you find the affiliate program of Kit, assuming you get the approval from them. And if you want to know more about how to interact with the dashboard, you might want to have better understanding, there's a video I've created called how to create and use PartnerStack affiliate account. You will find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow through it to get better understanding of PartnerStack affiliate account. In any case, I'm going to try to cover as much as I can in this video. So you get the approval from PartnerStack. In that case, you can click on your program on your dashboard from the top right hand side. From here, you should be able to see Kit, assuming you have applied and you have been approved. So for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with Land World since I could not apply because of that condition. But if you would have been approved, you can click on Kit from your program list in here. Once you do that, it will take you to the affiliate program page of that respective brand. So in your case, you would be taken to the affiliate program page of Kit. Over here, in summary, you can learn more about them. Now you've been approved, the question arises, how can you promote them? You can't just take any link from their website and start promoting them. You have to use tracking link. And to get or use tracking link, you have to come to the affiliate program page. From here, you can click on links, and over here you would be able to see your tracking link. So program created link, you can copy it and you can start using it. You can also click here to see other options available. You also have an option to create custom link. For example, you want to create a tracking link for any web page of Kit, you can click on create custom link. You can give the link title, link description, and then over here you can choose the destination link from the given option and then click on create link. This way you can create your own tracking link. So this is how you can get your affiliate link. The next question arises, where exactly and how exactly can you promote Kit? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One of the way is website or blog. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website or blog you got, so long as you have been approved by Kit affiliate program team, you simply can go to your website, find a best suited place for your audience, and just put the tracking link of Kit on that web page or section of your website. Maybe it could be the home page, a category page, depending on how well you want to integrate it for your audience preference. Then comes the blog. Now, blog could be great here because you could write different things about Kit, or rather Convertkit, previously known as, and put your tracking link within your blog post content. This way, when people would read, if they like it, they'll click on the link, and if they will end up with Kit as a customer, you will end up getting commission, assuming they're paying to the Kit. Third way is social media. Now, social media is great because it gives you many options. You could create posts, reels, videos, totally up to you, and share your tracking link somewhere in the descriptions or the comments. So this way, as usual, people click, they sign up, they pay money to Kit, and you end up getting commission. SaaS website could be great here because people come to software as a service website to learn about different softwares out there. So maybe create a standalone section for tools like Kit and advertise Kit on those web pages or categories. So this way, when people would come to a SaaS website, they will be taken to that section somehow through your efforts. And when they will click on those links, they sign up and you will get the commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote Kit. What about the commission? Let's say you started bringing sales to Kit. Where would you see your commission or your performance? For that, you have to come to the affiliate dashboard of PartnerStack once again. Over here, you can click on reporting, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can click on partnership performance, and you will be able to see your performance by different brands in here. In your case, if you have been approved by Kit and you have been bringing sales to them and performance, you will be able to see, for example, clicks, unique clicks, signups, paid customers, transactions, and the revenue. You can also scroll down to the right to see more information. Then you got link performance. You can click on link performance to see the performance by links. Then you get the commission. You can click on commission to see or to get the idea of the commission generation. To have better understanding of the commission, you should rather click on this commission tab, which will take you to the section. The first thing you must do here is to update your payment details. And to update your payment details, you can click on setup withdrawals, and you will have three options to choose from. Either go with direct deposit, PayPal, or Stripe. If you go with direct deposit, you have to fill the details accordingly. If you go with PayPal, you have to enter your PayPal email address. Same goes with Stripe. So depending on the payment method you choose, you have to give the information accordingly. And then there will be delivery delay as well. For example, 2 to 5 business days for direct deposit, 6 to 10 business days for PayPal, and 2 to 5 business days for Stripe. And then there's a minimum processing fee as well. You must read before setting up the payment method. Once you've set it up, you will see your total available funds that you can always click and withdraw from here. And then if you scroll down over here, you will be able to see your commission details with different commission statuses. To have better understanding of these statuses, you can click on learn about commission statuses, and you can see there's pending approval, on hold, declined, approved, and pending, available to withdraw. Only this is the commission that will be available for you to withdraw, and you can withdraw. So you can read all these statuses for better understanding. And if you want to see all your withdrawals amount, you can click on withdrawals, and this will have the list of all your withdrawals commission. So this is how you update your payment method and you start getting commission. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Kit and apply to them, get the approval, start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Kit. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.